you're in my dashboard, hello. But it's raining right now here in Little Rhode Island. I don't know if you can see, but I thought it'd be cool to go film some nice aesthetic videos for my TikTok, promoting my new music. So that's what we're going right now. So right now I'm just editing some TikToks for my new song coming out, and I hope the TikToks do good because this is basically like the only promotion I'm doing for my new song, besides like Twitter and stuff like that. So let's see how it goes. I also just uploaded a new song to like the song database. It's coming out in October. It can be a little spooky song, which I'm excited. I just wish I could like upload all my songs right now, but I can't because it's like it's smarter to just do like single by single, you know what I mean? But yeah, gotta promote.